The methapone algorithm. A phonetic algorithm such as soundex only optimized for the English language. A description of the metaphone algorithm is available at this page. Also there is the double metaphone algorithm, which is also implemented on C, and with the description at ASpell site. There is already a metaphone implementation in Delphi. You can find it at SourceForge. That version is far better than this. The code is below. I obtained it by translating the Metaphone.cc unit of the htDig search engine. It works in C well, but the translation I made ain't the better. Why? Because I translated mostly using the C approach and not the Delphi one. I would also like to encourage research on a better, faster, less code bloated translation of this algorithm. I am working on one. If you happen to have a better translation, post it. Notes: this algorithm as well as soundex are English only, so no Unicode support, or support for N, A, E, I, and miscellaneous characters. Function metaphone 3, const word, string, key length, integer equals 10 string, function same, x, char boolean, begin result equals x in f, j, l, m, n, r, and function vowel, x, char boolean, begin result equals x in a, e, I, o, u, and function varsin, x, char boolean, begin result equals x in c, g, p, s, t, and function nocf, x, char boolean, begin result equals x in b, d, h, and function front v, x, char boolean, begin result equals x in e, I, y, and var I, integer, tmp, string, begin tmp equals trim, uppercase, word, I equals 1, while I0, do begin if, tmp ing, k, p, and tmp I plus 1 equals n, or tmp I equals a, and tmp I plus 1 equals e, or tmp I equals w, and tmp I plus 1 equals r, then delete tmp I 1 if tmp I equals w, and tmp I plus 1 equals h, then delete tmp 2 1 if tmp I equals x, then tmp I equals s, I equals pos, tmp if I0, then tmp I equals number 0, and I equals 0, tmp equals tmp plus number 0, while length result, do beginning, I, if, tmpi equals number 0, then break, if, tmpi equals tmpi1, and, tmpic, then continue, if same, tmpi, or, vowel, tmpi, and, tmpi1 equals number 0, then begin result equals result plus tmpi, continue, and, case tmpi of b, if, I equals 2, and, tmpi1m, or, I equals 1, then result equals result plus tmp. I, c, begin if front v, tmpi plus 1, and, tmpi1s, then begin result equals result plus s, inc, I, and else if, copy, tmp, I, 2, equals ch, or, copy, tmp, I, 3, equals cia, then begin result equals result plus x, if, copy, tmp, I, 2, equals ch, then inc, I, if, copy, tmp, I, 3, equals cia, then inc, I, 2, and else result equals result plus k, and, d, if, copy, tmp, I, 2, equals dg, and front v, tmpi plus 3, then begin inc, I, 3, result equals result plus j, and else result equals result plus t, g, if, tmpi plus 1g, or vowel, tmpi plus 1, and, tmpi plus 1n, or, tmpi plus 1 equals number 0, and, tmpi plus 2e, or, tmpi plus 3d, and, tmpi plus 1d, or not front v, tmpi plus 1, then begin if, front v, tmpi plus 1, and, tmpi plus 2g, then result equals result plus j else result equals result plus k, and else if, tmpi plus 1 equals h, and not nocf, tmpi, 3, and, tmpi, 4h, then result equals result plus f, h, if not varson, tmpi1, and, not vowel, tmpi1, or vowel, tmpi plus 1, then result equals result plus h, k, if, tmpi1c, then result equals result plus k, p, if, tmpi plus 1 equals h, then result equals result plus f else result equals result plus tmpi, q, result equals result plus k, s, if tmpi plus 1 equals h, or copy tmp I 2 equals si, and tmpi plus 3 in o, a, then result equals result plus x, else result equals result plus s, t, if tmpi plus 1 equals I, and tmpi plus 2 in o, a, then result equals result plus x, else if tmpi plus 1 equals h, then result equals result plus 0, else if tmpi plus 1 c, or tmpi plus 2h, then result equals result plus t, v, result equals result plus f, w, y, if vowel, tmpi plus 1, then result equals result plus tmpi, x, result equals result plus ks, z, result equals result plus s, and